Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Girl in the Locked Room. A family moves into an old abandoned house. Jules' parents love the house, but Jules is frightened and feels a sense of foreboding. When she sees a pale face in an upstairs window, though, she can't stop wondering about the eerie presence on the top floor, in a room with a locked door. Could it be someone who lived in the house a century earlier? Her fear replaced by fascination, Jules is determined to make contact with the mysterious figure and help unlock the door. Past and present intersect as she and her ghostly friend discover and change the fate of the family who lived in the house all those many years ago. Looking for a chilling story? This may be it. The next book is The Usual Suspects. Thelonious is tired of being labeled. He's in special education, separated from the other kids at school who don't have any quote-unquote issues. That's enough to make all the teachers and students look at him and his friends with a constant side eye, although his disruptive antics and pranks have given him a rep too. When a gun is found at a neighborhood hangout, Thelonious and his pals become instant suspects. Thelonious may be guilty of pulling crazy stunts at school, but a criminal? He isn't about to let that label stick. If you're a fan of Jason Reynolds' books like Ghost, Look Both Ways, and All American Boys, you will be a fan of this book too. The last book I'm going to tell you about is Playing Atari with Saddam Hussein. Iraq, 1991. 11-year-old Ali is an ordinary kid. He loves playing video games with his brothers, playing soccer, and watching American TV. Ali hates his country's dictator, Saddam Hussein, but knows better than to criticize the government aloud. On January 17, 1991, Saddam Hussein went to war with 34 nations led by the United States. Over the next 43 days, during Operation Desert Storm, Ali and his family survived bombings, food shortages, and constant fear. With schools closed and the city at a standstill, Ali and his brothers hunted for treasure and building debris and played soccer on the eerily deserted streets of their neighborhood, wondering when or if their medic father would return from the war front. This is one incredible story about the realities of growing up during war. This is a great pick if you're looking for some historical fiction. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!